The old ways of making money online, they're officially dead. It's 2026, and if you aren't leveraging AI and the new digital rental economy, you are leaving six figures on the table. I've done the research so you don't have to. Here are 5 ways to hit your first 10K month this year. Let's go.
First up, AI automation agencies. Small businesses in the States are drowning in data. They'll pay you $3,000 to $5,000 a month just to set up simple AI chatbots and automated workflows. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to be the person who solves their time problem using tools like OpenAI's latest API. Number 2, digital asset flipping. Forget NFTs. I'm talking about high-ranking niche blogs or specialized SaaS tools. You buy an underperforming asset on a site like Flippa, optimize the SEO and content using AI, and flip it for 10 times the profit 6 months later. It's digital real estate, and the ROI is insane right now. 3, UGC for spatial computing.
And Apple calls the Vision Pro spatial computing, and I've given up trying to use all their fancy names. They're virtual reality headsets.
With the massive shift toward AR and VR, brands are desperate for user-generated content that works in 3D environments. Record a 30-second authentic review of a digital product for the metaverse. Average pay, $200 to $600 per video. It's the new gold rush for creators. Proprietary data vaults. Knowledge is the currency of 2026. If you have a massive lead list or niche market research, package it as a digital vault on Gumroad. High-level consultants are paying anywhere from $97 to $500 just to skip the research phase and get the data they need instantly. And 5, AI prompt architecture. Top-tier YouTubers and agencies need prompt libraries to keep their content consistent and high quality. Build a custom library for a specific niche like fitness or finance and sell it as a monthly subscription. That is true passive income at its finest. And one more, just a bonus. YouTube Shorts is a great way to make money, but it takes time, skill, and knowledge. But you can make really good amount of money with that. The barrier to entry is 0, but the window is closing fast. Which one of these are you starting today? Drop a comment, don't just watch, execute. See ya.